let's get it. I'm finna run this giveaway. Y'all cross y'all fingers, bro, cause go time. All right, I'ma run it, bro. I'ma run it. You ready? I'm ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ooh, let's see what the fuck happens. Who's the winner? Jonathan Rosales. Jonathan Rosales, you were the winner of Slow My giveaway number 5, bro. I wish I had a little button that said, wow, whoa, all kinds of crazy shit. But unfortunately, we don't have that. You're the winner of this giveaway truck, bro. Jonathan Rosales, whoever you are, bro, you won the truck. You just won. Congratulations. Yeah, we gotta see. We gotta see real quick this guy's from. So if y'all want to know where this guy's from. Oh, I found him. I found him. Damn, bro. I found him from Jacksonville, Texas. Jonathan Rosales from Jacksonville, Texas. You won. Thank you for entering the giveaway. Damn, that's crazy, bro. That's crazy. Yeah, we're going to call him the first time, like I said, giveaway truck has stayed in Texas. All the other times it's been Cali. Big B went to Kansas. The white truck went to Arkansas. 2 trucks already went to Cali. Yeah, those 3, 4 places. Well, yeah, those places. And then this one stays in Texas. That's the first time it stays in Texas. That's crazy. I really thought it was going to go somewhere far. I low-key did think he was going to go to Atlanta, bro. I ain't going to lie to you. I really thought he was going to go to Atlanta. I ain't going to lie. And all he did was spend, I think, like 30-something bucks, bro, on the shirt. That could be you, bro. Real giveaways, real winners. Hey, we do everything correct here, bro. Everybody gets a fair chance. Everybody gets a shot. Everybody gets their stuff. You gotta play to win, bro. You never know. It's luck. It's that's just what it is. It's just the luck shit. Let's shoot him a call and let's say what he says. Damn, I hope he answers, bro. You think he was watching the live? All right, nah. Damn, I should have waited. I was gonna tell you just waited a little bit and then call him. Now let's just call him now. He might not answer. If he don't answer, I'm gonna call him back again later. I am. That's why I want to call him later. I'm hungry, bro. Haven't ate all day, bro. It's a blessing and a curse. I told you he wasn't gonna answer. Should I call him again? Do now this? Yeah, fuck it. What the fuck a Houston, Texas number calling me for?
What's his type, yeah?
Same.
That's kind of like no fuck. Hello?
Yeah, hello, buddy. Hello, I'm looking for Jonathan. He's tripped out. Hey, bro, is it Jonathan?
Yes, sir.
Hey, what's up, bro? It's Breezy from Swallow Mile.
Oh, yeah.
Shit, what's up, bro? ¿Cómo andas?
Bien?
Oh, bro, that's cool. Shit, I'm calling you because today we did the giveaway for the truck, bro, and shit, congrats, bro. You're the lucky winner.
For real?
Yeah, for real. Yeah, we just went live right now on Instagram, bro, and your name's the one that came up. Jonathan Rosales, right?
Yes, sir.
Jacksonville, Texas. Yeah, bro. Hey, congrats, bro. You won the giveaway truck. Shit.
I can't believe it.
Yeah?
Yeah, I'm working right now. That's like...
Oh, shit. Okay, my bad. I didn't mean to cut into your work hours.
It's good.
Yeah, hell yeah. Nah, yeah, bro. But shit, congrats. You won the truck.
Yeah.
You don't even know what to say, huh? Do you?
Yeah, I don't know what to say. Like, I would just, like, every time I would just be like, damn, I hope I win it. Like, the whole time. Like, since it started.
Nah, yeah, bro, shit. Well, hey, the prayers and everything you wanted, bro, and all that hoping shit got you the truck, bro. You won, and I'm here looking at it right now. I'm standing next to it. I'm trying to see you stand next to it.
Yeah, yeah.
Hell yeah. Shit, congrats once again. Let me get everything situated, and I'm gonna text you. I'm gonna lock your number in right here, and then we'll go from there. That way, we can figure out how to get that truck to you. If anything, I'll probably take it to you way. So yeah.
All right.
Yeah, and if not, we'll figure out arrangements or something, and we'll go from there. And I'm gonna lock your number in. I'm gonna tap in with you and shit.
Okay, yeah.
Cool. Sounds good, bro. Shit, well, congrats.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, stop, bro. He didn't know what to say, bro. That man was starstruck. You don't know what the fuck to say. Jacksonville, Texas. First time Texas, bro. That truck stays. That's wild.
Deliver.
Yeah, deliver. Now, let's go get some fucking food, bro. guys, what's going on? It's your boy Breezy, and welcome back to another episode, another vlog here on the Swagger Mob channel. Today, we're headed to Jacksonville, Texas, because we're gonna deliver SMG5, the giveaway truck, to the winner, Jonathan Rosales. We got the truck loaded up, got everything ready, we're set. Let's get on the road and let's head over there so we can go see this man's reaction. Let's get it, come on. Oh yeah, let's rock and roll, let's ride.
Shotgun, nigga.
Ah, hell.
Damn, Andrew, this pressure.
I'ma trap all day and night until my pocket full of blues. We don't speak on shit we do, we better not get them boys a clue. I got ARPs and Glock, this shit'll knock you out your shoes. When them ops they get the trippin', you gon' see it on the news. This a 4 exotic pop, smoking gas and fucking thoughts. I got all the bands on me, I ain't tryna catch a box. You ain't shit up in your hood, you ain't posted on that block. We got caution on the scene, cause we can't do with a mop.
Swim up in this bitch, you know I touch it, it's astounding. Daytime, bitch, I'm in the trap, nighttime move.
Where we at, nigga?
We're in Jacksonville, Texas at the 7-Eleven. Hey, for some reason, the winner, I don't know, he told me to meet him at the gas station.
That's weird.
That's what I'm saying. I feel sketched out myself, bro. Like, bro, I know where you live. I have your address. Like, you ordered the shirt, bro.
I don't think he thought this through, bro.
I probably not. Or maybe, I don't know, maybe he wants privacy. He wants nobody to see his house. I don't know. That's weird.
You might be the owner of 7-Eleven.
A la verga.
What are you talking about, buddy? I am the owner of 7-Eleven. What do you want? I can bring it for you, okay? 2 Red Bulls, okay?
Like a vamp. She really like the way I hustle, fell in love with how I rap. I cannot sign my life away, I probably make that in the trap. And every time I cop, I double up, that's why they fuck with us. I know not to ever get comfortable, cause niggas like to switch sides. Just like bitches, they gon' dick right out the window, letting that stick fly. We say some shit when that bitch die. Should've seen it in that bitch eyes. Motivate the hustlers, I got trappers making moves. All this dope a nigga move.
Well, we're here. Now we're gonna wait for the giveaway winner and see what time he pulls up. I told him I was on my way. The giveaway winner, he's only 16, so maybe that's another reason why. I mean, I don't know.
I thought it had a flat.
Nah, they're just really low pro tires, bro.
He's a deal.
They don't never seen something about the little small low rider truck out here in the country. I gotta go pee, bro.
You going the wrong way, nigga?
I gotta pee.
You going the wrong way.
Yeah, go around.
Damn.
Go around. Maybe I want to walk some more. Maybe I want us to go the long route. Maybe I want to spend more time with you. You want to spend some time with me, bro? Damn.
Man, te pasas. Puro work aquí.
Bro, okay.
No.
Oh, pinche vato.
Easy.
Like I said, I have to be here.
I have to be here.
Water? Drinking water?
That's-
Cold water. That's good water.
Gotta stay healthy, nigga.
You know, I'm going to give me
Uh-huh.
Monster Red Bull.
You lame.
You look at that. You be drinking on the job.
It's my little time. Hey, it does look good though, man. Okay.
Ooh, it looks real good, but fortunately we can't drink right now.
We working.
Not on duty.
Yeah, not on duty. Not on duty. Well, I don't drink no more.
Tito does.
Yeah, I'm gonna drink one for you, man.
Yeah, go ahead, go ahead. Envenénate. Métete ese mugrero. Mugrero. Métete ese mugrero. Mugrero.
Oh, he said Corona time, nigga. A la verga.
Damn. Eso se quiere poner fea. They already get something?
Yeah.
That nigga got 2 Red Bulls. You hungry? Oh, bro, we just ate.
I'm hungry too.
For real, you just ate 2.
Yeah. Putting me on blast, nigga, like that. Hey, that man made it on time.
Man, that nigga wasted no time, bro. I'm not wasting no time at all.
And
Monster good. They're gonna kill.
you finna get copyrighted, nigga.
What's up? So which one's Jonathan? There you go. What's on, bro? Breezy. ¿Cómo estás? Yeah. What's up, bro? Breezy. Shit, how far y'all drove from over here? Down the street, huh? Hell yeah, no, I'm leaving. Oh shit, bro. Like I told you, congratulations. Here's your prize. Hell yeah. Shit, what you think or what? I don't even know what to say, bro.
Nigga's speechless, bro.
How old are you? How old are you? 16, bro, 16. Now, what'd you do? What'd you buy? Shirt. Today when you buy, you see, one t-shirt, that's all you gotta do. $38 this man spent. He got a whole truck, bro. I'm playing with him, bro. Shit. We're gonna unload it right now, bro, so we can get you a look at it and everything, and then get you a bunch of ways so you can go enjoy your new truck. Shit. Come on.
Ooh, Sam, killed it.
Thuggin' and I'm drugging in the hood with it. I let bro used to call, he bust a jug in it. I ain't trippin' on that shit, he know it's good with me. And I keep that shit 100s understood with me. Thuggin' and I'm drugging in the hood with it. I let bro used to call, he bust a jug in it. I ain't trippin' on that shit, he know it's good with me. And I keep that shit 100s understood with me. Man, hold up, I got drink in my cup, and exotic in my blunt. Only thing gon' keep me up. Ain't no love for no sluts, I ain't giving no fucks. I might just to put a nigga up. Them haters talking, I ain't playing with them. I'ma make them hush. That's your hoe.
We just unloaded the truck. Now it's time to hand you over the keys. Congratulations. Let's go check out the truck if you want. Turn it on. Start getting the real feel to it of how it's gonna feel you driving around. I was gonna ask you, do you have a truck yet? You don't, so it's your first truck. Damn, it's his first truck, bro. Hell yeah.
Bro, he's literally wearing his shirt, bro.
I know. Literally wearing the shirt of his own truck now. That's crazy. Hell yeah.
Sent to rev it.
Rev it if you want, bro. Yeah, bro. Yeah. I saw you right here. I saw you. What you think? He don't even know what to say. He starts to that for 16, wait. For 16, that's not bad. Shit. Hell yeah. He's telling me that they're all brothers, really, all of them.
All brothers?
Yeah. That's the youngest one out of all of them. He's the one that won.
That's crazy.
Shit.
How do you feel?
Happy.
It's crazy.
Yeah, wow. Now you got something to go and work then, wait. Yeah. Hell yeah.
Got him right.
Hey, make sure you tell all the females that pass by and drive through it, come inside. Hey, that's my truck out there. just that's my truck. Hell yeah, bro. I was for fire. Oh yeah. Other that's peace no más. Falta de that's peace. The title way.
It's official. That's it.
Official.
It's
Hopefully,
his.
Yeah. It's his. You. Hopefully you enjoy it a lot, bro. And shit, a ver, shit, what else you do to it or whatever, you know. Shit, hell yeah. Congratulations once again, bro. Hell yeah. Man, bro, I got a whole truck at 16 years old for $38, bro. What else can you ask for? You know what I'm saying?
Hey, at least stay here in Texas.
Oh yeah, and it's crazy because you're the first one that wins that stays in Texas, bro. All the other ones go everywhere else. Fucking Cali, shit. I forgot where else, but yeah, this is the fifth one. I'm about to do the sixth. Yeah, finally a truck that stayed in Texas, bro. Finally. Got the Rosales, shit. I mean, I guess you got anything to say? Wait, you don't know what to say. Wait, you really don't. Hey, what your parents say? What I told them or what? I believe me. You don't believe you? Wait till you pull up and she sees it, bro. Hell yeah.
You should capture the reaction.
Yeah, catch the reaction or whatever. You know? Hopefully y'all enjoy it, bro, and everything's good. If anything's good, you know, because I'm gonna let you go. I'm gonna go get on going with it. It's a whole 3-4 hours back. I gotta go find a Buc-ee somewhere because I want to go to Buc-ee's. Oh, for real?
There's one,
Oh yeah, Madisonville, I think that's más para adelante.
Yeah.
I'm gonna see what's up. We might just go to it, bro. A ver qué onda. Yeah, no con madre, güey. Appreciate you. Madre, que te vaya bien. Enjoy the truck. You too, bro. Y'all make sure y'all take care of this man. You know, everything. Y'all enjoy the truck, bro, and shit. Hey, let's get back to Houston, bro, because it's a long way back. Come on.
Is Urban Diaz.
Well, we're about to head back to Houston, but before we do that, I just want to go time to say thank you to Jonathan. Thank you for supporting the brand. Congratulations on winning our 5th giveaway truck. He seemed real happy. He seemed like he didn't even know what to say, you know? So, shit, I just want to show you, bro. Real giveaways, real winners. We actually take care of our people here. We do all that good stuff. Keep tapping in. Look out for his giveaway number 6 coming soon. Also, thank you to everybody that participates, that shows love, that buys the merch. That's love right there. We appreciate that the most. So, with that being said, catch us on the next vlog. Like I said, stay tuned for Swallow Mouth number 6, bro. Come on.
She ain't even say you existed. I just let little bro use a car for a big check. Like a roll call for that money, I can't miss that. Count them hundreds up and let that nigga have his bitch back. She be coming back to me like she ain't understood that.